Hello, my name is Omar González Peña, and today I will talk to you about of the independence of Mexico. The Mexican War of Independence was a long and complex process that spanned over a decade, resulting in the country's liberation from Spanish colonial rule. This movement was driven by deep social inequalities, political unrest, and the desire for autonomy. Various leaders emerged during this time, its contributing likely to the cause of independence. This timeline highlights the key events and figures that shaped Mexico's path to becoming a sovereign nation. Main figures of Mexico's independence. First, Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla. He is known as the father of the nation. On September 16, 1810, he gave the famous Grito de Dolores, calling the people to rise up against Spanish rule. He led the first stage of the independence movement and inspired thousands to join the fight. 2. José María Morelos y Pavón, a priest and military leader who took over the movement after Hidalgo's death. He organized the fight more effectively and called for social justice and equality. He also led the Congress of Chilpancingo, which declared Mexico's independence in 1813. Ignacio Allende, 3. A captain in the Spanish army who joined the independence cause. He was one of the original leaders alongside Hidalgo and provided military knowledge and support to the early rebel forces. 4. Vicente Guerrero, a key general in the later stage of the war. He continued fighting even when the movement was losing strength. In 1831, he joined forces with Agustín de Iturbide in the Plan of Iguala to finally achieve independence. 5. Agustín de Iturbide, originally a royalist commander, he later switched sides and joined Guerrero. Together they created the Plan of Iguala, which united different groups and led the end of Spanish rule. It will later become the first emperor of independent Mexico. And 6. Leona Vicario, a brave woman who supported the independence movement by sending information, money, and spies to the rebels. She is remembered as one of the most important female figures in the struggle. 1810, September 16. Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla, a Catholic priest and revolutionary leader, issues the famous Grito de Dolores. He calls on the Mexican people to rise up against Spanish rule, lighting the first spark of the independence movement. His speech emphasizes the injustice faced by indigenous peoples and mestizos under colonial rule. 1811, July 30. Miguel Hidalgo is captured by Spanish force, tried for treason, and executed. Despite his death, his ideals and leadership inspire others to continue to fight for independence. 1813, September to November. José María Morelos, a key insurgent leader and former student of Hidalgo, presents the Sentimientos de la Nación, Feelings of the Nation, during the Congress of Chilpancingo. This document outlines fundamental principles for the new nation, including social justice, abolition of slavery, sovereignty of the people, and the establishment of a republic. November 6. All the Congress of Chilpancingo, Mexico, formally declares its independence from Spain and approves the first insurgent constitution known as the Constitution of Apatzingan. 1814. The Constitution of Apatzingan comes into effect, providing a legal framework for the insurgent government based on republican ideals, separation of powers, and protection of individual rights. 1815. December. Jose Maria Morelos is captured, tried, and executed by Spanish authorities. His death is a severe blow for the independence movement, but his military strategies and political ideas continue to influence the insurgency. 1820. Political change in Spain, including the restoration of the Constitution of Cadiz, created a new environment that encouraged curious Mexican-born Spaniards, and military leaders to push for independence to protect their interests. 1831, February  24. The Plan of Iguala is proclaimed by Agustín de Iturbide and Vicente Guerrero. It establishes three guarantees: independence from Spain, equality between Spaniards and Criollos, and the protection of Catholic Church. 1831, September 27. The army of the three guarantees, led by Turbide and Guerrero, enters Mexico City, triumphantly marking the end of Spanish colonial rule and the achievement of Mexico's independence after 11 years of struggle. The independence of Mexico had a great impact on society at the time and on future generations. First of all, it allowed Mexicans to break free from Spanish rule and begin building their own nation. This was a major shift in how the country was governed, as for the first time, the goal was to place power in the hands of the people instead of a foreign king. Social independence opened the door to new ideas about freedom, equality, and injustice. Although not all groups in society benefit immediately, it planted the seed for future movements that will fight for the rights of indigenous people, mestizos, and others who had previously been excluded. It also created a sense of national identity. People began to feel like they were part of one country, with a shared culture and common future. This helped unite communities that had once been divided by class, region, or different interests. In summary, the independence of Mexico not only changed the nation's politics, but also transformed the way Mexicans saw themselves and their society. It was the first step toward building a free Mexico with its own values, goals, and hopes. In my opinion, the independence of Mexico was one of the most important events in our nation's history. It marked a moment when the Mexican people decided to fight for their freedom and in centuries of Spanish rule. This movement was not easy and it took many years of struggle. sacrifice, and bravery from countless men and women who dreamed of a better and fair country. Leaders like Miguel Hidalgo, José María Morelos, and many others were key figures in this fight. They were not only brave in battle, but also had strong ideals about injustice, equality, and the right of people to govern themselves. Their actions inspired thousands to join the cause and continue to fight, even when the road seemed impossible. I believe that the independence of Mexico teaches us the value of courage, unity, and determination. It reminds us that great changes are possible when people come together with a common goal. Although our country still faces challenges today, the spirit of the independence lives in every effort we make to improve as a society. For me, T7 is not just something we remember once a year but a lesson that should get used every day and inspires me to appreciate the freedom we have now and to contribute in my own way to bullying and better future for Mexico.